What up, everyone? This is the Blinkster. It is the 29th of April today, and if you're wondering why I'm lying down, it's because I have the flu. I hate getting unwell, and it's just I have a piercing pain in my throat, which has gone to my ears, and this stupid zit on my face. Oh god, so much at once. But the good thing is, I'm taking a lot of rest. I'm taking my fluids, just had breakfast, taking proper care so that it doesn't turn into a viral, and then I would be down for 2 or 3 days. I don't want that to happen. uh, anyway, I think it started last night because as I said, I was at dinner and I had dessert which had ice cream. I wasn't supposed to do that, so I caused this on myself. But my mother says I should be okay in like a day or two, probably just gargle and everything. So I need all your blessings with me, all your wishes and your care so that I get okay soon. Because I mean, who likes to be bedridden anyway? So pray for me, guys. Pray that I'm okay. I need your blessings with me. Uh, Comment below on the vlog and it'll reach to me. That's it for now. Just resting right now and taking care of my stupid so much. Okay, as I said, there was a dinner last night, and those are my shoes. Anyway, they got us some gifts which I'm opening. I think my mood's all okay now, but anyway, this is a chocolate syrup Pringles. That is olives. That is raisins. Ugh, who gives raisins? Fruit cocktail. Jelly slices. Chocolates. 2 chocolates, which I don't like, but it's a gift. Then there is, what is that? It says triple treat. I have no idea what this is. Anyway, there's a juice which I'm gonna have, and I'm healthy. There's pasta, penne, Pringles. Look at the can. You know, this is what happens when you don't pack properly. And there is another juice. Wow. I think my mood's all okay now because there's so much right now. I just love dinner parties because you get so much. You know, I always believe in thinking, living the moment and thinking about that particular moment. So I'm gonna think that this basket that I just opened is a get well soon basket because, well, I'm unwell and it came yesterday. Although it was for a dinner, not for me, but it's in my room, so I believe that God saw that I was gonna get unwell, and He got me a get well soon basket. So much good stuff. So yippee, yippee! Yay! I'm so happy. There's so much in this. Oh. I am a bit healthier now. I took my fluids, took my medicine, and now I can stand properly without. That means my head was spinning a lot. Anyway, I started on my LSAT prep and then I stopped after 10 minutes. I don't know, I'm just lacking motivation, or maybe it's because my brain is not working properly because of the illness. But I just need motivation now because I need motivation. I need something to motivate me to work harder than ever and do it. I know, I mean, I do that, but I just, I don't know what's happening with me since the past 2 days. I mean, 3 days I was out of Delhi, and then now I'm like this, just like, there's nothing gonna happen. There's nothing on my mind. So I think I need to pull myself together. It's 8 o'clock right now, and I don't think I'll study anymore. But tomorrow, I know. I mean, I know a lot of people say that, but this time tomorrow, I will study like I haven't studied before. I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to prepare very good in a proper manner. The thing is, I've already done it once. I'm just working on my timing and everything, but I have to do it. Tomorrow is the 30th of April. That means I would have a month and 24 days, which is not a lot. So I have to do it. Give motivation. Oh God, please, guys. If anyone out there is feeling the same way, I think we can connect and give motivation to each other. I have to do it. I have to do it. I'm satisfying myself to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. And the day has ended. It's midnight right now, and well, I didn't do anything today as well. I was just watching Game of Thrones, and I love that sitcom. Sorry, the series, and just watching it episode after episode. It's coming on TV, by the way. So just doing that, and the good news is I feel better now than I was in the morning. So hopefully by tomorrow morning I'll be properly healed, and then I'll be my full powered person again, the Blinkster. For now, I'm just gonna take my medicine and probably a cup of milk and go to sleep, and then wake up early tomorrow and then start the beautiful day, which is 30th of April. So good night, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful, beautiful Sunday. I hope you have fun with family and friends, and I will see you tomorrow.